Hello, this is your Lakshma Reddy sir. It is chemistry grand test number 6 in our series. Sorry for the delay due to Pongal vacation, but I'll try to give you maximum. So here you see this is a grand test question. For every question I will give you 10 seconds time. Which of the following statements are correct with respect to hybridization of atomic orbitals? The orbitals present in the anti-penultimate shell of the atoms only. So this is wrong statement involved in the hybridization. Excitation of electron is not essential. So correct statement. Half-filled orbitals can participate in hybridization. Right statement. Completely filled orbitals of valence shell atom only. So wrong statement. So he made hybridization also the question. Only 2 and 3 are correct. Select the correct statements among the following. When calcium is added to hot water, the complex ion retains the calcium plus 2, right? Actually, calcium is Na2, Na4, PO3 taken 6. When this is treated with calcium ions, Na2, Ca2, PO3 taken 6. So calcium ions are retained in the complex. Right statement. In the removal of hardness by synthetic resin method, water obtained from the cation exchange process is acidic in nature. Right, because H plus ions are coming to the resin and sodium, calcium plus 2, magnesium plus 2 ions are removed. So this is right statement. A 30% weight by volume solution of H2O2 is called 100 volume. Right statement. Per hydron. H2O2 is used in the manufacture of sodium perborate. All statements are right. Which of the following is not true? See carefully, not true. BOH taken thrice is nothing but H3BO3, it is acidic. Which one of the following sequences for the given property correct? Only first is correct because covalent radius order is lead, tin, germanium will be here. Melting point order is carbon, silicon, germanium, lead and tin. This is taken from NCERT. And carbon dioxide is more acidic, lead is more basic. So this is wrong. Only right statement. 10 seconds. NCERT statements as it is. In the third case, NaTSO3 plus dilute HCl, SO2 gas will come out. Copper with concentrated sulfuric acid also, SO2 will come out. I will give you the equations also. This pen charging has gone. Give me 1 minute. Till that time, you just look at the next question. Copper with concentrated sulfuric acid also, copper sulfate plus CS4. So all 1, 2, 3, 4. The CFSE D3 metal ions V plus 2, Cr plus 3, MO plus 3 decreases in the following order. Remember, down the group it increases. CFSE proportional to oxidation state of the metal cation and principal quantum number of the d orbitals of the metal cation. Principal quantum number is more for molybdenum, so option should be this one. Then Cr plus 3, V plus 2, higher oxidation state. 2 points. Directly proportional to oxidation state and down the group increases. Two sets of quantum numbers with the same radial nodes, n minus L minus 1 should be same. 3 minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 minus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Thirty-eighth question. It's an interesting one. See, we know Van der Waals constant B. What is the relation for B? B is equals to 4V. 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. From this, you can find out the R value. And this is for 1, and he is asking for Avogadro number. Avogadro number is 6 in 10 to the power of 23. If you find B value is given 4 pi 10 to the power of minus 4, this is given. From this, if you calculate, R will come as 5 in 10 to the power of minus 9 centimeter, or 5 into 10 to the power of minus 11 meter. He is asking two molecules approach each other close, so that he is asking 2R. 2R is equals to 2 into 5 into 10 to the power of minus 11 meters. Nothing but 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. Little tricky, but good question. One mole of an ideal monoatomic gas is subjected to go through the cycle as shown in figure. Then the change in the internal energy in expanding the gas from A to C along with the path ABC. This is something interesting. Monoatomic gas, 1 mole. So PV is equal to RT. Based on that concept, you need to solve. At this point, A point, the temperature is T naught. T naught is equal to PV by R. PV is equal to NRT. And at this point, Tc is equal to pressure is 2 P naught. And you say P naught V naught by R here. And volume is 4 V naught by R. That is nothing but 8 P naught V naught by R. That means 8 T naught. Correct? delta U is equal to internal energy change NCV T2 minus T1. N is number of moles, 1 mole here. Cv is equal to 3 by 2 R. T2 minus T1 is equals to 8 T naught minus T naught. If you simplify this, it will come 10.5 R T naught. Good question it is. Fortieth question also, one interesting. Take 10 seconds of time. 10 seconds is not sufficient. Take 20 seconds of time, no problem. Got it, na? First is saying BCC, next is saying FCC. XY BCC, then all X gone, YZ is FCC. So what we need to do is, for BCC lattice, cation to anion radius ratio is 0.732. So y minus radius will come, if you calculate from this, because x value is given, so that will be 0.546, because x plus is given. So 0.4 by 0.732 is 0.546. Now z plus by y minus is FCC. When FCC you are taking, it is equal to 0.414. From this, if you take z plus, because y minus value is known to you, z plus value if you take, z plus will come 0.546 into 0.414 is 0.226. Simple, little tricky. For a given half cell reaction, again you need 20 seconds of time. Check, no problem. You people will be lucky if you are getting physical chemistry questions in last section maximum, because there you have 5 questions choice. Here you need to attempt this question. Okay. Yes, here H plus is there. Okay, H plus by H2. So E naught cell is equal to, if you want to calculate, that is RHS minus LHS. For hydrogen it will be 0 minus 0. E naught cell is already given, minus 0.277 volts. So what is the formula? E cell is equal to E naught minus 0.059 by N log reduced form by oxidized form. Okay, now the reduced form is, what is the reduced form here? What is the oxidized form here? We must remember here, and we need to write. E naught cell is minus 0.277. Reduced form by oxidized form. Otherwise, what we need to do? Given equation is CO plus 2 plus 2H plus gives rise to CO plus H2. Right? This is the expression. For this expression, Q is equals to pressure of H2 into concentration of CO plus 2 by H plus concentration square. And E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT by F log Q. 2.303 RT by F is nothing but 0.059. So E naught cell is equal to 0 minus 0.277 is equal to 0.277 volts. Now apply in cell. 0.277 minus, it is given 0.06, 0.06 by number of electrons to log Q value. Q value we have taken as pressure of hydrogen. Pressure of hydrogen is given as 1 atm into CO concentration. CO concentration is 0.1 given in the question. 0.1. This is 0.1. Then H plus concentration. When pH is equal to H plus concentration 10 to the power of minus 2, 10 power minus 2 whole square. So this will come 0.277 minus 0.09, which is equal to 0.187. One very, very, very good question. For these kind of questions, you need to give some time, right? And these kind of questions, you need to see the question, tell the answer. 10 seconds. Aniline, steam volatile. Camphor, sublimation. H2O2, distillation under reduced pressure because it decomposes. Easy question. Cyano, priority 1. So 2-bromo, only one case is there. For these kind of questions, you should not take much time. 10 seconds. Ketones with Grignard reagent will give you tertiary alcohol. Direct question. Easy bit. The sequence of suitable reagents for the following conversion is, see, here bromine is given at meta position. That is important. You only need 10 seconds of time also. You can directly do this. So first you go for benzene with this reagent, acylation, CH3 taken twice, CHCOCl. Now go for bromination. It's a meta director. This point is important here. C double bond O. Bromine will come here. Now go for reduction. Wolff-Kishner reduction. Correct. CH2, CH, CH3, CH. Got it? So option 1. 10 seconds. C3H6O does not react with 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine. Aldehydes, ketones, they will react with 2,4-dinitro. So these two options gone because does not react. Then sodium metal, alcohol will react with sodium metal. This is also gone. So your answer is this one. Among the following amino acids, the one which has thiol group is thiol group means SH group. SH group is present in this one. Then what is this compound cysteine? Cysteine is also same thing. When two these kind of groups are present having a bond like this, and cysteine structure is NH2 CHCOOH CH2SH, that is cysteine. When two such groups, you remove hydrogen from here, keep another S, CH2, then CH, COOH, NH2. This is cysteine. SH group is cysteine. Cysteine is SS. Which of the following true about artificial sweetening of and all are correct. NCERT statements, don't waste your time. Now you read the statements, all are correct. Among the following, the non-biodegradable polymer is nylon 6. Remaining all are biodegradable. A certain current liberates 0.5 grams of hydrogen in 2 hours. Two questions from electrochemistry. We didn't expect. Okay. 1 gram hydrogen by 1 Faraday. So 0.5 grams of hydrogen by half Faraday. Copper equivalent mass is 63.5 by 2 by 1 Faraday. So 0.5 Faraday means 63.5 by 4, which is 15.88. Faraday's second law. The number of electrons present in 5f orbital of Cm plus 3. Atomic number 96 he mentioned. Actually, 5f orbital's electronic configuration will be like this. 5f, before that there will be 6d and 7s. 7s2, 6d1, remaining will be going into this. Okay, that will be the electronic configuration. And when you are saying plus 3, 3 electrons will go from here. 96 means F7. This F7 will be as it is. 7. The number of significant figures present in the correctly reported answer of the addition 4.523, 2.3, 6.24. Go for addition. That will become 13.063. And the minimum number of decimal places is 1 here. So at least you need to take 1 decimal place. On rounding off, it will become 13.1. So number of significant figures will be 3. The maximum number of electrons can have principal quantum number n is equal to 3. So number of orbitals are 3 square is equal to 9. When 9 orbitals are there, 9 electrons will be with plus of spin, 9 electrons will be with minus of spin. The number of optically active isomers possible for mono-bromo derivatives of isopentane. Isopentane, go for your bromination, optically active. No. Bromine, optically active. So 2 optically active. 2 optically active means 2 to the power of 2. Answer is 4. In a reaction, concentration of the reactant changes from 0.4 to 0.2 in 10 minutes. Okay, na? And 0.2 to 0.1 in 20 minutes. See, when the concentration is becoming half, the half-life time is increasing. So half-life time is inversely proportional to initial concentration. That is the characteristic of second order. Volume of 0.1 m oxalic acid means 0.2 normality. Oxalic acid is di-basic acid. KMnO4 in acid medium, so normality will be 0.5 into 5, factor is 5. KMnO4 changes to m plus 2. So V1 into 0.2 is equals to 20 into 0.5. 0.5, 2 to cancel. Answer 50 ml. An open vessel at 27 degrees Celsius is heated until 3/5 of the air in it has been expelled. Open vessel means PV is constant. So N1 T1 is equals to N2 T2. N1 is 1, temperature is 300, N2 is equals to 3/5 is gone. So remaining is 2/5 by T2. So T2 is equals to 1500 by 2. 750 Kelvin. He is asking degree Celsius minus 273. Minus 273 will be approximately how much it is? 477. If the heat of formation of C2H2 and C6H6 are 230 and 85 kilojoules per mole, the magnitude of delta H for the trimerization means 3C2H2 gives rise to C6H6. Correct? Formation C is saying. Here benzene is forming, so don't change the value, it is 85. But this is undergoing the change, but here given formation, so 3 moles, that minus 230 into 3. Just change the sign. This will become 690 plus 85, just add them. Then the magnitude of delta H is asking, only value is asking, that is 605. A hydrogen electrode dipped in the solution, the potential of the cell is equals to 0.177 is equal short form minus 0.059 into pH. So pH is equal to 0.177 by 0.059 is equal to 3. Easy question. The number of lone pair of electrons present on the central atom in a molecule which is formed when excess of xenon reacts with fluorine. Excess of xenon when reacts with fluorine, it is going to form XeF2. He is asking how many lone pairs are there on the central atom. 1, 2, 3. 3 lone pairs. Thank you. We'll meet you with more grand tests. Keep on solving grand test papers till your exam comes. The more number of grand tests you solve, the more knowledge you are going to get. And it will definitely help you. All the very best.